Hello everyone, my name is Kate. Welcome to my channel. I upload videos weekly. So hit that subscribe button if you haven't already so don't miss any of my uploads. So for today's video, we are going to be talking about another Hudabeauty product. This is another Haze Obsessions eyeshadow palette. So yesterday I reviewed the Sand Haze Obsessions eyeshadow palette by Hudabeauty. So I just uploaded this like right now. I'll have the link down in the description if you haven't checked my video about this yet. What is happening with me? I can't speak today, but yeah. I'll have the link down in the description so you can check it out if you haven't checked it out yet. But today, we're going to be talking about the new Khaki Haze. This is the Haze Obsessions eyeshadow palette. It's still in the packaging, so now let's open the baby. Again, this this retails for $29 and it has the suggested shelf life of 24 months. It is made in China. This product weighs 5.8 grams of product or 0.2 ounce of product. So this is what the packaging looks like. Let me zoom you in. So this is what the packaging looks like. Again, it looks very hazy. I love the packaging. And on the back, you have here the suggested shelf life and Hudabeauty's social media. You have here a hashtag to use. You have here the name of the palette, the weight, and where it's made. Again, this is made in China. So now, let's open the palette. So this is what the palette looks like. It has a mirror. And then these are the gorgeous shades. Again, I have this palette for weeks now, but I haven't. This is the first time that I will be working with the palette. You may notice that it's already used. It's because my mom has already used it. But again, this is the first time that I will be working with the palette. So this will be like a first impression video or something. But yeah. So let's take a look at the shades. You have here 5 mattes. And you have shimmers and metallics. So now let's swatch these babies up. I'm going to start swatching this shade and I'll go from here to here and then here to here and then here to here. But yeah, I'll start with this one. So this is the first shade. That is gorgeous. That looks stunning. And then this one's a matte. Ooh. And this one I think is another metallic. Very nice. And then we have another matte. This one is matte as well. This one is another metallic. Ooh, that is intense and very pretty. That is gorgeous. And then another matte. So this is the 4th matte. Another shining, shimmering shade. Gorgeous. I think I'm in love with this already. And this is the last shade and this is a matte. So these are the gorgeous shades. So you guys, those shades are gorgeous. Not gonna lie, I'm so much more attracted to the shades of the Khaki Haze rather than the Sand Haze. This is just, it's gorgeous. You know, I loved all the shades. But we will see how it would work on my eyes, how it would perform. So let's start doing the first look. I'm going to be doing 3 looks today. So let's get on with it. So I'm going to start with this shade right here. My eyes are already prepped and primed. So I'm just gonna buff and blend this all over my lids. Like so. Just putting it all over. And I'm just building the color up for more like depth. How do you pronounce depth? Depth. Oh my god. Depth. I love how it's super easy to blend and super easy to build up. Like you can use this for like a very soft color, or if you want to build it up, then as you see, you can definitely build it up. Now using my finger, I'm going to take this shade. It was the shade that I was attracted to when I was watching. It was this one. Let's see how it would look on my eyes. I'm just going to put it all over, like so. Do you guys see that? That is gorgeous. And then I'm gonna go back with this shade and just blend the edges, like blend where the matte meets the metallic. I love this. This is my type of hazy. Like, look at that. I'm so attracted to this eye look. It's gorgeous. Still using this shade, I'm gonna go and put this under my lower lash line, like so, and connect it to my outer V. And then I'm going to take this shimmer shade right here. Is it shimmer or metallic? Let me know in the comments if you know what the difference is, because I don't know. I know I'm stupid. For someone who reviews a lot of makeup, I hate myself for not knowing what the difference is between a shimmer and a metallic. Using that shade, I'm going to put that on my inner corner. Look at that. Gorgeous. I'm gonna put some on my brow bone as well. Just a little bit. I love this. I love it. I love it so much. So this is the first look. Now, let's move on to the second look. For the second look, I'm taking this shade. And I'm going to put this all over my lids, like so. Just all over. This is our base. Now I'm going to take this shade and focus this on my outer V. I'm going to drag it a little bit onto the center of my lid and onto my crease. Just very lightly. I still want it to like focus on the outer V. Still using this shade, I'm going to put that under my lower lash line, like so. And then I'm going to take this shade using my finger, and I'm going to put this here on top of my lid. Just on the inner part up until the center. Like so. And then with a little bit of this shade, I'm going back to blend my outer corner up to where it meets like the metallic, if that makes sense. Just like so. Just so we don't have any harsh lines. Like, look, I love it. It's gorgeous. I have a lot of fallouts though because of the metallics. There's just so much glitter on here. I don't know if that's a me problem because I've put on too much. If you're like me, if you like putting on so much like metallics and glitters onto your eye, then I suggest doing your eyes first before your face, so it doesn't look as messy. I don't know how many times I've already said this on this channel, but I apologize if I keep looking at the viewfinder. It's just I need to see if I'm on frame and if I'm on focus, so just deal with it. Now I'm going back with this shade and I'm going to put that on my inner corner. So this is the first two looks. It's gorgeous. I love it. You already know. So I'm just going to remove this so we can move on to the third and final look. So let's go. So I'm back and my eyes are now again prepped and primed. They are now ready for our third look. This time I'm going to be doing both of my eyes. For the third look, I'm starting with this shade. And I'm just going to put this all over my lids. So this will be our base. So that gave a very soft color payoff using a brush, using my brush. So I'm gonna take my finger and just pack this on and see. Yeah, that's a bit better. So that's our base. Very nude, very light. And then I'm going to take a little bit of this shade and I'm going to buff and blend this on my outer V, working my way into the crease like so, and just blend this all over. I'm going to do the same here on my other eye. And then I'm going to take this shade in the middle and put this on my outer V. So this is what it looks like so far. Now I'm going to take this shade using my finger and just put this on my lids. Going back with my brush and a little bit of this shade and just blend out my outer V and on my crease. Blend my outer V on my crease. So again with the fallout, so if you're like me, do your eyes first before your face so you don't like get this. Now I'm just going back with this shade and I'm going to put this under my lower lash line like so and connect it to my outer V. And then I'm going to take this shade and put this on my inner corner. So this is what it looks like. Gorgeous. So I'm just gonna put on some mascara, curl my lashes, then I'll be right back to show you the final look. So you guys, this is what it looks like when I have my mascara on. I didn't put on any eyeliner or false lashes, so you can focus on the eyeshadow. So this is just mascara on my top and bottom lashes. It's gorgeous. So this is the final look. I love it. Every look I did on this video, I was in love with. So now for my final thoughts. You already know. You heard me the whole video. This palette is gorgeous. And you saw how it worked on my eyes. And you can't deny, it looks amazing. It does, right? It does to me. These shades are just so attractive to me. I love them. And they were very easy to work with. I love that they're so smooth. They were so easy to blend. If you haven't watched my Sand Haze video yet, one of the shades on this palette was a little bit hard to blend. I just had a little bit of difficulty on blending one of the shades on this palette, but with this palette, I had no issues aside from, you know, a lot of fallout. But again, I think that's just a me problem because I use a lot. That's hence the intense fallouts. I don't even want to call it intense fallout, but I do have a lot of fallout. So if you're like me, again, do your eyes first. And again, this is just $29. You already have a mirror here. You have 9 shades. You can definitely create a lot of looks with this palette. So that, to me, is what makes it worth it. The formula, the shades, it's compact, easy to travel with. It's good. I'm in love. So if you're eyeing this, I hope I helped you. This video helped you in finding out if you really want to buy this or not. Or if you're eyeing this, then you should definitely check my other video out. I'll have the link down in the description box. And tomorrow, I will be reviewing a new Hourglass product. This. So yeah, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, so don't miss that. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, please. So yeah, thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye.